is a model that I've already completed. It's the Grumman F9F Panther. This is a 1/48 scale model. It's actually by AMT. It's a really old model kit. It's a very simple model kit, and I chose to do it in the one of the original Blue Angels navy colors with their markings. As I said, it's a very simple kit. There are a few raised panel lines, not a lot of surface detail. We've got some wheel wells with not a lot of detail. The air intakes are closed up. Here's our tow, the tow hook, our guns, and our pilot figure. The fit wasn't really good at all in that area around the cockpit. We have the wingtip fuel tanks, and then our exhaust, also not a lot of detail. It's as I said, it's a very simple model to put together. It's actually fairly sturdy, and you do have another option besides the Blue Angels colors to make it an Air Force, sorry, a Navy plane. So here are the instructions for the Panther, and put the cockpit and fuselage together. Very simple, and not a huge amount of detail with this plane. Then you put the wings together, put a landing gear in. That's our nose gear, and then our main gear. Next we put the tail together, and then put the wings, air intakes, and our canopy on. And then here is the painting and decal guide. So that's if you want to paint it for the Marines. And then this is if you wanted to do the Navy. So, very simple plane, easy to put together, but not a lot of detail.